Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing how to create your own t-shirt mock-ups for print on demand. I don't sell print on demand. I actually sell artwork and posters on my Etsy shop, but this is for people that are trying to do the print on demand and don't want to pay for mock-ups. So please tell me that you've got Midjourney or you have tried Midjourney or whatever. But if you haven't, got to have a Midjourney account to do this, or people seem to be going to Place It. I've used Place It on a couple things. I don't really like all their options. They don't seem to have a lot that I'm looking for. So we're going to go over here to Midjourney and I'm going to show you just what I did, just literally with a really simple prompt. This is my prompt was beautiful female model wearing a black t-shirt in a city blurred background for a mock-up. And this is what I got. This was the first attempt. It's not bad. But I think it works because then you can take this into Photoshop. You can put your mock-up into it and call it a day, and it gives you 4 of them. You're good to go. You don't have to pay for these, and I think they look beautiful. They'll have to be upsized, but you can figure that out. If not, ask me and I'll show you how to do it. So what we do is we go into Midjourney, and I've got a bigger one that I'm going to work with. It's a larger prompt. It's a little more has a little more explanation to it. And what it says is a man standing against a plain background wearing a white t-shirt mock-up by John Smith, high resolution image, clean and minimalistic design, perfect for showcasing designs, solid colors, professional photography, isolated subject, model's face is not visible. Of course, Midjourney is going to totally screw that up and show a face, which is fine and suitable for branding purposes. So we're going to go ahead and press enter. I'm going to pause this video so you're not going to sit here and wait for it, or you can listen to me talk either way, but we're going to pause this video for just a second. And so as you can see, it's starting to generate the mock-up. This is what it looks like, and actually I think this is going to look great. I think you're going to really enjoy seeing what this does, and this seems to be a working prompt that will get you what you need for a white t-shirt, any kind of t-shirt mock-up actually, and I'll show you how to change it here in just a second. All right, so it's finished, and this is what it did. Like I said, Midjourney doesn't listen to the fact that I wanted no face, but that's okay. I think these prompts work. They're clean, and you can crop these out, put your image on there, and away to go. I'm going to show you how we can edit this prompt by putting a female in there, changing the background and such. Just one second. All right, so what we're going to do is we just copy the prompt. We're going to paste the prompt in here. Instead of putting a man, we're going to put a girl. And we'll leave everything else the same just to see that, if it trusts the model's face is not visible. I have no idea, but we're going to give it a shot. And so we press enter, we wait for a second, it generates the command, it does its thing. All right, as you can see, this is what it's coming up with. A couple of them, those will work, but I think they're great. So now I'm going to show you what to do to change the background, and hopefully you'll like it. But I think it looks pretty good. So change the background. You're going to come in here type your imagine, hit your prompt. So again, we pasted the prompt in here. And what we'll leave, actually, we're going to leave a man. We'll try this. We'll see if we can get this to work. So right now it says a plain background. So how about we say a cityscape or a city background. But what I like to do is I want it blurred because you want to really focus on the t-shirt. And then we're going to change the color of the t-shirt from white. And let's go pink, just to see if it'll work. But I capitalize pink, hopefully, to emphasize the fact that I want a pink t-shirt. Sometimes Midjourney listens, sometimes, hey, Midjourney just does what it does. Here we go, and we'll see what happens. So as you can see, this is what it's deciding to come up with. There's a spot on this guy's neck. I don't know what's going on with that. Oh, disappeared. It's gone. And like I say, now we've got a watermark that it decided to throw in. But you've got your blurred city background, a pink t-shirt, and I think these look fantastic. Perfect for t-shirt mock-ups. And you don't have to pay for them. You just pay for your Midjourney subscription. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I will put the prompts in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, however you feel. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it.